Alright, so here in this corner, as you can see, I have like all of my teas. And then I have my water kettle, which I did put some water in here. I'm actually going to warm it up to 180 degrees. And then I'll show you guys the next step. Alright, so let's see what the temperature is right now. Yep, we are right there at 180. I'm going to turn it off. I do not want it to go any higher than 180, which it looks like it's getting there. So I'm going to actually transfer this over to the glass jar, and then hopefully it's going to kind of reduce. Let's see here. Alright, so I got my frankincense resin, and I'm just going to open it up really quick if I can. Alright. So I actually put a little, I don't even know what you call this, little cork board. I really don't want to shatter the glass in case this is really hot. Alright. So I got my thing here. Let's see what it's at. So right now it's showing me it's about 174, which I'm actually very happy with that. So 173. Okay. I'd rather have it a little bit lower in temperature than to actually burn the resin, because then you're going to lose a lot of the properties. So I'm just going to put a little bit in. Maybe a little bit more. That's it. You can already see like the color is changing, which I think is so cool. Alright. Give it a little swirl. I want to make sure the temperature is okay. So right now it's about 170. So it's perfect. I'm gonna let this sit for a few hours actually, and I'm actually going to set it out in the sun. So I'm gonna make a frankincense resin sun tea, and then I'll show you guys in a few hours how the color has changed and what it looks like. Alright, this is what it looks like after a few hours. It is just so dark. And of course, there is still some resin on the bottom. All you have to do is just shake it. Can you guys see that? And that's it. So it was a few hours outside, but it got a little bit windy. Let me show you really quick. This is my backyard, and I am still trying to figure out what to do with it. There is a bucket right in the center. Okay, anyway. So you guys, this is my frankincense resin water. I drink about, I'm gonna say like half a cup. You know what, I'm actually gonna do it really quick. Let's see if I can do it one hand. I'm so gonna spill. Hold on, there we go. Yep. Okay. So I drink about like that in the morning. Hold on. Yeah. It's still kind of warm. Well, it was out in the sun, so. But yep, here it is, you guys. Frankincense resin water. And do not throw away the resin water once you drink this whole jar. You can actually reuse the resin water that's on, or the resin water, the resins that's on the bottom. maybe you can use it three times. Let's do that. Just use it 3 times. Reuse the resin on the bottom. So warm up your water at 180 degrees and just pour on top. And yeah, it should last you about 3 jars. Here it is, you guys. My Frankincense Resin Water. I know I said it so many times, but you guys, it's so good. The color. Ooh. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.